how to change a blade on an Erbauer jigsaw. So I have some blades here. Let's open them up. And as long as it has a T-shank like this is a Ryobi one, but T-shank is what the Erbauer takes. So any T-shank blade will work. But when you're messing with anything that doesn't involve cutting, I always recommend safety first and remove the battery. Now to enter the blade, you see this mechanism here, it pulls back, see that? And then that allows you to enter the blade. I'll do it from this angle first. You pull this red lever back, you want the blade pointing forward, then you want to slot into this hole here. Then once it's all the way back, release the red little lever, and that should be the blade in place, ready to use. Now let me do that from a different angle. So pull that back, see that hole there, we need to slot it in. Do that again so you can see it. Slot it in, then release the blade, then release the red tab here, and that should be securely in place like that, ready to use. So that's how easy it is to change a blade on an Erbauer jigsaw. If you found this video helpful, smash the like, smash the subscribe, and thanks for watching.